I am learning studio.
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to I Am Learning Studio. In today's video, we will talk about a fraction in details. So, what is fraction? A fraction is equal parts of a whole. For example, if we have a pizza, we divide it into three equal parts. Fraction is dividing a whole thing into different equal parts. For example, look at this example. There is a whole circle, one circle. We divide it into two parts. The first part will be 1/2, the second part will be 1/2. So there are two parts. Let's look at the square. So we divide it also into two parts. The first part will be called 1/2 and the second part will be called 1/2. In the next example, now we are dividing one whole circle into three equal parts. Because we are dividing it into three parts, now each part will be equal to 1/3. Look at the second example of a square. So now we are dividing a square into three equal parts. Each part is equal to 1/3. Now look at the third example. Now we are dividing a one whole circle into four equal parts. So each part will be equal to 1/4. Number 4 means that we are dividing a whole circle into four equal parts. So that's why we write 4. Now look at this fraction 1/3. The above number we call it numerator and the below number 3 is called a denominator. Numerator shows that how many parts we have, how many pieces we have, and the denominator shows that how many total pieces of a whole. Let's take an example. If there is a pizza, so you divide it into total 3 parts and you only take one part. So what you write? 1/3. 1 means that you take only one piece, but how many total pieces of the pizza was? 3. So we write 1/3. Hope you will understand it now clearly. Now let's take an example. There is a one whole cake. So there are four family members: mom, dad, me and my sister. Okay, so there are four family members. Now we have to cut the cake into four pieces because we are four family members. We cut it into four pieces. Now first mom takes one piece from the cake. Mom takes only one piece, but how many total pieces of the cake were? There are four total pieces, so we write a 1/4. So mom takes a 1/4 part. Now look at the cake. How many cake left now? There are three pieces left, and there was total four pieces of the cake. So we write 3/4. 3/4 cake left. We write a 3 in numerator and 4 in denominator. Now dad also take one part. And how many pieces of the cake were? Total 4. So dad takes 1/4 part. So now how many cake is left? Half cake is left. We call it 1/2. 1/2 is divided between mom and dad and 1/2 is left. Now look at the cake, only two pieces are left. Now sister also have take one part, and how many total pieces of cake were? 4. So sister takes 1/4 part. So now look at the remaining cake. There is only one piece left, which is 1/4. Cake is divided into four pieces according to the family members. Mom takes 1/4 part, dad takes 1/4 part, sister take 1/4 part, and me also take a 1/4 part. Now look at this question. What is the fraction of the balls that are yellow? So now look at the balls. There are 2 balls we required that is yellow. So we write 2 in a numerator, and how many total balls were 5. So we write 5 in the denominator. Ask your kids, do you know what is the fraction of red balls? Now look at this question. What is the half of 20? 1 over 2 means 1 half. When we divide 20 into 2 equal parts, the first part we will call 1 half and the second part is also 1 half. So answer is 10, because when we are dividing 20 into 2 equal parts, each part will be equal to 10. Ask your children about, do you know what is the half of 40? Hope you like this video. If you like this, subscribe the channel, press bell icon and share with others. Thank you.